How to fix no notification sound on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. After click on app library, click on settings app, 9 settings app. Scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, so turn off do not disturb button. After turn off do not disturb button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so turn off notification sound. After turn off notification sound and turn on, so you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, and click on backup and reset phone, and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update, and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no notification sound on Realme Narzo 19x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.